Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take beauty products seriously, because you deserve nothing less. Have you ever wished for a styling tool that could handle all your hair needs in one go? Well, today we're diving into two powerful tools designed to make your hair routine faster and more flawless. The Chi G2 Professional Hair Straightener Titanium Ceramic Plates Flat Iron and the Chi Spin and Curl Rotating Curler. Let's see if these high-tech styling tools live up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the Chi G2 Professional Hair Straightener. This flat iron is no joke with its 1.25-inch ceramic and titanium-infused plates. These materials combine to deliver smooth, shiny results with less damage, perfect for anyone looking to create sleek, straight styles. The titanium helps with heat distribution, ensuring consistent, even results without those dreaded hot spots that can cause unnecessary breakage. Plus, it's got an impressive 40-second heat-up time, so no more waiting around for your styling tools to get hot. The flat iron offers color-coded temperature ranges up to 425 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for different hair types. Whether you have fine, medium, or coarse hair, there's a perfect setting to suit your needs. The Chi G2 flat iron isn't just for straightening. Its design allows for versatile styling, from sleek and straight to soft waves, depending on your technique. I've been using it on both straight and slightly wavy hair, and I can tell you, it makes styling so much faster. Now, moving on to the Chi Spin Curl Rotating Curler. This tool has a bit of magic up its sleeve, literally. With a 1-inch ceramic rotating barrel, it creates flawless, light, beachy waves at the push of a button. If you have shoulder-length hair between 6 and 16 inches, this is going to be a game changer for you. The spinning action means you don't have to worry about manually curling your hair or figuring out the right angle. Just position a section of hair in the barrel, press the button, and let the tool work its magic. It's fast, easy, and offers a polished curl every time. The Spin and Curl features adjustable heat-up times for different hair types: 15 seconds for fine hair, 17 seconds for medium, and 19 seconds for coarse hair. This thoughtful design ensures that no matter your hair texture, the tool can cater to your specific needs. It's one of those tools that just simplifies the curling process. No more awkward wrist movements or waiting for the perfect temperature. Let's break down the pros and cons of these tools. Starting with the Chi G2 flat iron, the titanium plates give it a durable, high-performance edge. The heat-up time is impressively quick, and the adjustable temperature settings are a definite plus, especially for those of us with different hair types. It's easy to use and leaves hair feeling smooth and shiny. On the downside, while it's versatile, it can be a bit on the heavier side, which might not be ideal for those who need something lightweight for quick styling. The Chi Spin and Curl, on the other hand, is incredibly user-friendly. It takes the guesswork out of curling your hair. If you're looking for effortless beach waves without the traditional curling iron struggle, this tool delivers. However, it's worth noting that it works best on hair that falls between 6 and 16 inches in length, so if you have longer hair, this may not be your go-to. Also, if you prefer more defined curls, the waves from this tool might feel a bit too loose for your taste. When it comes to value for money, both of these tools are on the premium side. However, given the quality of materials, the advanced technology, and the ease of use, there's certainly a worthwhile investment for those serious about their styling tools. The price is justified by the performance and the time they save in your routine. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely more affordable options out there, but they might not offer the same level of performance or durability. Cheaper tools may heat up more slowly, have less precise temperature control, or not offer the smooth results you're looking for. That being said, if you're on a tighter budget, a simpler flat iron or curling wand from brands like Remington or Conair could get the job done, though you might lose out on the time-saving features these high-end tools provide. Both the Chi G2 and the Spin and Curl are well built. The materials feel premium, and they're designed to last. The ceramic technology in both tools helps with heat distribution, meaning they're less likely to cause heat damage, which is always a win. And while I haven't had direct experience with customer support, Chi is a reputable brand known for high-quality products and reliable customer service. So I'd expect that if there were any issues, they'd be prompt in resolving them. In conclusion, the Chai G2 Professional Hair Straightener and Chai Spin and Curl Rotating Curler are top-tier tools for those who want to elevate their hairstyling routine. If you're looking for quick, sleek results or effortless waves, these two tools cover all bases. Whether or not they're worth the price depends on how much you value time-saving and high-quality styling tools. For those willing to invest, they are likely to become staples in your beauty arsenal. If this review has helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried either of these tools, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they've worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.